This video demonstrates how to change O-rings on the tip cones of any Transferpette multi-channel pipette. Transferpette multi-channels that use 200 or 300 microliter pipette tips have a single O-ring design, while pipettes that use ultra-micro or crystal pipette tips may have a single or a dual O-ring design. If the old rings are worn but are still attached, they need to be removed. Supplied in the packet of replacement rings is a small plastic ring removal tool that will assist in removing the rings. Slide the tool onto the tip cone from beneath. The internal protrusion in the tool will rub the ring to have it bubble up, creating a space between the tip and the cone ring. Use a pair of scissors to cut the ring, taking care not to damage the tip cone. Slip the tool off and remove the cut ring. Older instruments may have a single ring design, while newer models have a second O-ring for added lateral stability. To attach O-rings, simply roll the new ring onto the tip cone. With dual ring design, the first ridge will be populated, then the second one will be moved over the first to populate the second ring space. Larger volume instruments with O-rings may have an additional tool to assist in mounting the rings. Insert the metal pin into the end of the tip cone. Sliding the replacement ring down, the tool will assist in stretching the ring as you slide it into place onto the tip cone. Once the ring is mounted, the tool can be removed and used to mount additional rings.